Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Real quick before we get started, just a reminder to please like, subscribe, and share the channel with someone you think would enjoy it. That all really helps us out. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 254. And if we start with this column, we're missing 1 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 1, 9. For this box now we're missing 5 and 7. We've got a 5 here, so 7, 5. For this box, we're missing 1, 6, and 8. We've got 1 and 6 here, so this is our 8, 6 here, so 1, 6. For this box, we're missing 5, 7, and 9. We've got a 5 here and a 7 here, so this is our 9. That 5 makes this our 7, 5. For this column, we're missing 3 and 8. We've got a 3 here, so 8, 3. For this box now, we're missing 2 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 2, 9. For this row now, we're just missing a 6. For this row, we're missing 3 and 5, and I don't see any help. So 3, 5, 3, 5. For this row, we're missing 4 and 8, and I don't see any help. So 4, 8, 4, 8. For this row, we're missing 3, 5, and 7. We've got a 7 here, so 3, 5, 3 here. So 5, 7, 5 and 7 here. So this is our 3, that makes this our 5, 7. That 5 makes this our 3, 5. For this column, we're missing 1 and 2. We've got a 1 here, so 2, 1. For this box now, we're missing 1, 4, and 7. We've got 1 and 7 here, so this is our 4. 7 here, so 1, 7. For this bottom row now, we're missing 8 and 9, and I don't see any help. So 8, 9, 8, 9. For this row, we're missing 2, 3, and 4. We've got 2 and 3 here, so this is our 4, 3 here, so 2, 3. That 4 makes this our 8, 4. That 8 makes this our 9, 8. For this column now, we're missing 4 and 8. We've got a 4 here, so 8, 4. For this column, we're missing 5 and 6. We've got a 5 here, so 6, 5. For this column, we're missing 4 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 4, 8. For this top row now, we're missing 2 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 2, 9. For this row, we're missing 3 and 7. We've got a 3 here, so 7, 3. For this row, we're missing 2 and 6. We've got a 2 here, so 6 and 2. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have an amazing day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.